This is grade 5, module 1, lesson 15, and the objective for this lesson is to divide decimals using place value understanding, including remainders in the smallest unit. So the question we're going to be working on today comes from the homework. It's problem number 1, letter B, and I have 8 1/10 divided by 5. So I have the place value chart, and I also am going to be doing the standard algorithm on this side. So I'm going to start out by putting 8 ones and 1/10 on my place value chart, and I'm just going to write it in, just writing the digits this time, and 1/10. And I'm dividing it by 5, so it means I'm going to need 5 rows. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I should be asking, or the students should be asking, if I have 8, how many groups of 5 can I make? And I can make one group of 5. So I'm going to put my 1 in each one of these. And I have 3 left over. 3 remaining. So I'm going to, let's see if I can do that. And I'll put my remainder of 3 over here. 5s are pretty simple, so the students can count by 5s to figure out that if I have 31/10, I can make 6 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6 times 5 is 30, so I would have 1 remaining. So I do have 1/100ths, and I could put this one here, and it would, since there's nothing here, I can just make this 10. How many groups of 5 can I make with the 100, or with 10 hundredths? I can do 2. Okay, so again, my answer is going to be right here, and my decimal point right here. Okay, so doing this on the standard algorithm, I have 8 divided by 5, and I have 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, and I have 3 remaining. It's the same as I have my 3. I moved my 3 over here, so now I have 31/10. So I'm going to move my 1 down here. Okay, so the same as the 31/10. How many times does 5 go into 31? Let's put my decimal point so I don't forget it. And that answer is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. And I have 1. So the 0 isn't listed here. It's not on this number, but I'm going to put it in. It does not change the value. And I bring down my 0. How many times does 5 go into 10? And the answer is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And I subtract, and there is no remainder for this problem. This problem can also be solved using the number discs or the dots. So I'm going to, we're going to solve this one using the dots. So I have 8 ones, so I'm going to put them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1/10 is right here. I'm going to do my 5 rows again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, I'm just bringing my dots down to divide them up. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have enough to do that again, so I got rid of these 5. Okay. And I have 3 left over. So that means I'm going to be putting 30 dots in the tenths. And you can see this becomes a lot of work for the kids. So this is why I like to use the digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so there's 31 dots there. There was 1 original dot, and then I just unbundled my 1s to get 30/10. And I'm going to be putting my dots in here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And I know I don't have enough. So I'm going to cross out my 30. And that means I would have 1 left over, which I'm unbundling here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can put them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One of the students asked me how to get the amount of rows that I have here, and if you notice that my divisor is 5 here, so this is why I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay, so now if I just take a look at one of these rows, I have my answer. My answer would be 1 in the ones place, and 6 in the tenths place, and 2 in the hundredths place. Here's my decimal point, and so I have 1.62 is my answer. Okay, and it was the same if we use the digits and when we use the standard algorithm.